In this video I'm going to show you how to change a heater fan resistor in a Mark II Focus. On my car you can hear that the fans don't kick in on the first and second settings, they only work on the third and fourth. If your fans aren't working in this manner, you'll probably need to change this part, which is the fan resistor. You need to open the glove box where there are 7 T20 screws to remove. You've got 4 along the top and another 3 that are covered at the bottom. You can just pop the covers open by hand. The body of the glove box should now be free to pull away. There's an electrical connector on the top that you'll need to disconnect first. Then move it to one side so that it's not in the way. With the glove box out, we can now see inside where there's various electrical connectors and wiring looms. What we're after is tucked away in the corner here, this white electrical connector you can see. It's held in by 2 more T20 screws. Once you've removed the screws, you can pull it out. The resistor itself can just pull away from the electrical connector. You can then insert the new resistor into the electrical connector. To put everything back together, you just reverse the steps you took earlier. Remember, it's 2 T20 screws for the fan resistor and 7 for the glove box. And don't forget the electrical connector for the glove box either. Now you can hear that when I turn the fans on the first and second settings, the fans do kick in as they should.